said, I've been looking at my phone all time.
I'm looking for my phone.
Okay. Where was it?
So the whole time I'm waiting, what the heck? I called and this is silent. You know, my phone is silent.
Well, there's a problem with that.
And so it's just in my side the whole time, hon. Clip in my shirt, right here, the side, the whole time. I've been looking, and then it's
It wasn't in the pocket. It was
no, it's just it's stuck in. It's the my skin.
Break.
It's just crazy. Sign of aging, huh?
It happens to everybody.
Window, love.
All kinds of
Break.
ages.
Window. Window. Let this spirit person go. Let this go that no one can go. It's Sunday. Hala! Luckily. Ay guys, nagtuwalis ka dyan mo guys. ay. I thought it's no
You
magnet.
have 20 different holders for the car, and you don't use any of them. You just sit on that.
What holder? We don't have a holder.
You bought a bunch of holders.
Everything is missing because you keep using some car.
I keep using.
I don't know
use
where
any
did
of
you
them.
put all that.
I use the one I bought in the gas station. Really? You go out and buy all these expensive ones that twist and turn. And
No,
stand on their head.
that's a tripod, hand. And
No, you sucks a couple ones too.
I don't know where you put it.
Where I put it? Where would I touch it? Take it.
Han, are you just gonna fight with me while we're driving? Just drop me
No,
off
it's your
here.
job.
I'm going to go back walking. It's a good exercise for me. And no headache with you. You don't have a freaking... You don't like me anymore. You don't love me.
I got some.
What? What?
I wanted to order a smaller trailer, but I looked online and said it might not handle. Depends on the SUV, on the quad. I can't take a chance. It's gonna be a bigger one.
Of course you get a big one.
Well, I don't want to get there and find out it doesn't fit, and then what? Then we're screwed. Because I looked online to see if it would fit in the 5x9. Because I think it should fit in the 5x9, but
So ito na yun siya guys, oh. Ito yung nirintahan ni Mister. At grabe. How much is it? 45?
yeah.
$45? $45 na. Okay, we're going to the route. And look, can we go out of here? Oh no, we have...
You gotta do photos. You gotta do photos before you leave.
Okay. So, nagpicture-picture lang si Tami doon kasi kailangan magpicture bago kami aalis dito. And, tagal naman yan. Why is Bill burning? Wala, I smell burning, love. Is that our tire? What? Somebody's tire. Laptops. What the heck was that? It's merging here soon, so you should keep going. So, andito na kami guys. Pero si Tami, umihi pa siya doon, no? Umihi siya. And then, ako naman dito sa sasakyan. Uhaw na kaayo ko guys. Gigutom ko. Kasi walang kain si Indemirian. Ano ng oras? 1:30 na, gutom na gutom. Where's my water?
What?
You don't get me water?
No, she was gonna put it in like a pitcher or something. She didn't have water, so she's gonna go down and get something to eat, some water or what.
I have credit card.
That's okay. You need cash.
I need credit card. I have credit
I'm serious.
card.
Take.
It could bee. There's a lot of bee shit.
It's under the tire. You have to be able to pull it all the way. You ready?
Watch out, don't scratch the thing. Honey, seriously.
Seat. Bad.
You can put a thing in here, is like a plow.
Yeah, I have a plow. He's got a.
No, we have a plow.
No.
No, it takes a specific. There's a plow hitch under here. There's a winch. I have the plow blade. I'll have to bring it up because it's in the other shed.
Gay ng hangin, guys. Sa ano? What is this?
Where'd you get the water?
Ha?
Where'd you get the water?
Isabel,
You don't have any.
do you want water? Keep going. Guys, grabe. Wala yung kaon, guys. Alas 3 na, guys. And then, itong asawa ko, may bisita yung kapatid niya. Tuking-tuking pa sila, guys. Napagod na ako, guys. Gutom na si Inday Mirian. Alam niyo naman ako pag magutom, guys. Well, close the windows. Nawala na kami, guys. Oy, just keep going. Nawala kami. And then, hindi man kami pwede magdaan sa parkway kasi delikado, bawal. So, bawal sa parkway. So, kaya, yun. So, ngayon, wala na kaming gas. Very short na kami ng gas. Naghanap na kami ng gas
Yeah, that'll work.
And then, nandun si Tami, nagpunta sa nandun siya. Bili ng pizza kasi wala nang time si Inday Marian magluto eh. Wala na time guys, grabe si Inday, kakapoy na jud. 6:40 na ng hapon and yun, itong cellphone ko dead, hindi nga ako makapagtrabaho ng maayos. Hello. What happened? You ordered it?
Yes.
And?
And I told him we're going to run down and put it on the back. Time to get back and we'll be ready.
Okay, oh no, he's not surprised. I know what it is. Okay guys. Habs! Hey!
Thank you.
I cannot see you halfway only.